Hello friends, welcome to Chiplan's channel. At the end of this video, you'll learn how to create YouTube banner from scratch using canva.com, using already made templates in Canva, and how to remove image background for your designs. So don't forget to smash on the subscription button, give it a thumbs up, and also share. If you have any question, drop in the comment below. Now let's dive in. All you need to do is to log into the website of canva.com. Then you will see environment open like this. You click on the search button, then you type YouTube. There you see YouTube banner. Click on YouTube banner. You see it already made templates and a blank template. So because we'll be working on both sides, we'll click on the already made templates. In these templates, all you need to do is to edit the already typed heading. So we will delete this headline and add our own headline. Also delete the subheading and add our own subheading. That is it all. If you decide to add image or social media icons, is left for you. So I'm adding mine now. My YouTube channel. You give it any name of your niche. That sounds better. You move it down to the top. We also do same on the subheading. Subscribe to my channel. You move it up. Now you can decide to change the color. Give it any color of your choice. Make it bold. I think it's looking pretty good. So you can decide to add other effects and animation. Echo. You can reduce the offset and the direction to get a desired shape. You can add animation too. Bounce animation, rolling, in and out, zooming. If you wish to upload any image or social icon, you can also make use of the already installed icon in the template. Just reduce the size so it can fit in. These are also already built-in social icons, so you can add it. Because you can see Twitter here and see Instagram. You can decide to fit anywhere you want it. So you can play along with all this. This basically shows you how to edit, how to put it in a way that will suit you. So now when you are done, you just need to click on the share button. That will bring you to where you can download it and you upload it to your YouTube channel. So go back to your home page and search for YouTube. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also give a thumbs up. So create a blank YouTube banner. So we want to start from scratch now for those that like designing. So in case for you to know it better, it's better you start from scratch. So this is just a blank space. All you need to do first, you will want to change the color of your background. You click on the element icon to bring out the colors. Also click on the line and shape to give out a shape you want. Now for the height, we'll be going for YouTube banner height is 423, 424, 422. So you can decide to make choice. I'm going for 420. Let's go by 424. It's still okay. 423 is actually the exact match. For the width, you can go for 156, 155. It depends, 154. So within that range is still okay. Ensure it's aligned at the center. Add another shape for tablet users. Reduce the transparency to 50 so you can see the inner shape. Also do same to this frontal shape. We'll still reduce the transparency to 50. Then the last shape, which is a first background, is for desktop viewers. The second is for tablet viewers, and the last one is for Android or Apple viewers. So I also told you that I will teach you how to remove image backgrounds. Go to your remove.bg. We bring you to this environment. Just upload your image and it will immediately remove the background. You can decide to download it. When you are done downloading, go back to your Canva and upload the image you just downloaded. Then move the image to the desired position you wish. Reduce the size. I prefer to move it to the right. I want to add a heading by clicking the text icon. Type your YouTube channel name. Mine is Chili Tech. change the color of your channel name. Add effects. So need to add subheading. Click and drag to the desired position. Access our training. For free. Using the link below. And reduce the size. That is my website address. To access our free training, you can decide to click www.cheapplans.com. There you will view all our free training and packages. Subscribe to our newsletter and you get more of our free products. I'm adding the subscription button. My Facebook icon. Also type the name of your social media handle. This can only be viewed by desktop users. If you want to learn how to build a mobile app, or you are a business owner, you want to create a business app, just come to our website www.cheapplans.com and drop your comments. We are going to respond to you. Request for any mobile app you want to use to run your business, then we are going to build it and deliver to you within a short time. So to download, click on share. Then you see the download button, click on the download button there. save download setting. Then your banner is downloaded. Please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up and hit on the bell icon for more useful videos. Thank you for watching.